Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to log in to the Udyam Registration portal. Udyam Registration is an essential process for small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, in India, providing them with a unique Udyam registration number that can help them access various government schemes, benefits, and financial support. Follow these simple steps to log in to the portal successfully. Step 1. Visit the official Udyam Registration portal. Open your web browser and go to the official Udyam Registration portal by entering the following URL in your address bar: https://udyamregistration.gov.in. Step 2. Click on the Login option. On the home page of the portal, look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. Step 3. Enter your login credentials. You will be directed to a new page where you need to enter your login details. Make sure you have the correct credentials to log in. The credentials include Udyam registration number. This is the unique registration number you received when you first registered your business. Password. Enter the password you created during the registration process. Step 4. Verify the CAPTCHA code. To ensure security, the portal may ask you to enter a CAPTCHA code. This is to confirm that you are a human user. Carefully enter the characters shown in the CAPTCHA box. Step 5. Click on Submit. After entering the Udyam registration number, your password, and the CAPTCHA code, click on the Submit button to log into your account. Step 6. Access your dashboard. Once you successfully log in, you will be redirected to your Udyam registration dashboard. Here, you can manage your registration details, update your information, or access government schemes and services that are available to you as a registered business. Troubleshooting. Tips: Forgot password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. Incorrect login details. Double-check that the Udyam registration number and password are entered correctly. Ensure there are no typos or extra spaces. Technical issues. If the portal is not loading properly, try refreshing the page, clearing your browser cache, or using a different browser. By following these easy steps, you should be able to log into the Udyam registration portal without any trouble. If you encounter any issues, refer to the official help section or contact support for further assistance. Thank you for reading, and good luck with your Udyam registration journey.